welcome back. Today I will explain you the ways and some questions from which you can perform the exercises of chapter 5 arithmetic progression of class 10. So here we begin, and yes, these are the questions from the exercises only. Other questions of the exercises are based on this only, means like this only you have to solve. So the first question is, write first 5 terms when first term and common difference is given. In the book it was written 4 terms, I have written 5 terms, that doesn't matter. So here the first one, okay, the first one, a is equals to -2, b is equals to 0. Here the first term is given -2 and then the common difference is given 0. So if we have to find an AP, then how we have to find? So the formula is like a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, then a plus 4d. So let's substitute the values. So a was -2, then -2 plus 0, then -2 plus 2 multiplied by 0, then -2 plus 3 multiplied by 0, and then -2 plus 4 multiplied by 0. Now we will calculate, we will get -2, then see, -2 plus 0 is equals to -2, then again -2 plus, see, 2 zeros are 0, so -2 plus 0 is equals to -2. Same here also, 3 0 0 and -2 is equals to -2. Then again -2. So here we have got the AP for the first part. Now let's move to the next. So next one, here first term we have got is -1.25 and the common difference which we have got is -0.25. Okay, so a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. Okay, 5 terms we have got. Now we will substitute the value. So -1.25, -1.25 plus -0.25, -1.25 plus 2 multiplied by -0.25, -1.25 plus 3 multiplied by -0.25, -1.25 plus 4 multiplied by -0.25. Now let's solve. So -1.25, then -1.25 -0.25. Okay, so because plus multiplied by minus is minus, then -1.25, then minus sign, then 0.25 multiplied by 2 is equals to 0.5, then -1.25 minus 3 multiplied by minus 0.25 is 0.75, then -1.25 minus, now -0.25 multiplied by 4 is equals to 1. Now let's solve. So -1.25, then minus, now -1.25 minus 0.25, what we will get? -1.5. Okay, then here -1.25 minus 0.5. Okay, so we will get -1.75. Then -1.25 minus 0.75. So over here we will get minus 2. Then minus 1.25 minus 1 is equals to minus 2.25. So over here you can see that we are decreasing by the difference of minus 0.25. Okay, so here is the AP which we wanted for this particular question. Now the questions in this exercise means the second question of exercise 5.1 will be solved like this only. Now let's move to the next part. So now let's do the third question. In this it is asked which of the following are AP. If they form AP, find common difference D and write 3 more terms. So in this question we have got the list. We have to firstly tell whether it is AP or not. What second we have to do is that we have to find the common difference, and then third we have to write 3 more terms of that list. So for telling that whether this is arithmetic progression or not, we have to find the common difference. If the difference is same between all the consecutive terms, then it is an AP. So first, for finding the common difference, A2 minus A1 is equals to 5 by 2 minus 2. So LCM is 2, then 5 minus 4. So 1 by 2. So we have got in the first case that 1 by 2 is the common difference. So now let's move to the next. So A3 minus A2. So A3 was 3 and A2 was 5 by 2. So here we will get 2. Then 6 minus 5 is equals to 1 by 2. Again we have got 1 by 2. Then A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 3. So 2 is the LCM, that 7 minus 6 is equals to 1 by 2 again. So here what we have got, that the difference between them is 1 by 2. So the common difference is 1 by 2 for all. Okay. So now what we have to do is that we have got that the common difference is same, that is 1 by 2. So therefore this is an AP. So we will write yes, this is an AP. Now what we have to do is that we have to write 3 more terms. So how we will write 3 more terms? For that, see. First, what is the formula? A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, then comma A plus 3D, comma A plus 4D, and then so on. So what we will do over here is that, see, this is A plus D, then the third one is A plus 2D, fourth one is A plus 3D. So fifth one will be A plus 4D. Okay, so A is 2. Okay, so A is 2. 2 plus 4 multiplied by 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 2 ones are and then 2 twos are. So what we have got, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So the next term will be 4. Then A plus 5B is equals to 2 plus 5 multiplied by 1 by 2. So 2 ones are and then 2.5s are. So what we will get is 4.5. Now if we convert 4.5 in fraction, then we will get like 9 by 2. Okay, so the next one is 9 by 2. Then A plus 6D is equals to 2 plus 6 multiplied by 1 by 2. So 2 ones are and then 2 threes are. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So the next one is 5. And here one more way you can do is that, see, 5 upon 2 is equals to 2.5. So 2, the difference between 2 and 2.5 is 0.5. Then 2.5 and 3, what is the difference between them is 0.5. Then 3 and then 7 by 2 is equals to that 3.5. So here also 0.5 difference is there, and the common difference is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So in both ways you can do. Here if you want, then it can come like this also, 4 comma 4.5 comma 5. Okay, now let's do the next one. So the next list we have got is 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so how will you do is, first we have to find the common difference. So how will you find the common difference? See, 3, wait, a2 minus a1. So a2 is 3 plus, so a2 minus a1. What is a2? 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 minus a1 is 3. So 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So what common difference we have got? Root 2. Okay, so here see we have got root 2. If we notice over here, what we will notice is that this is a, then this is a plus d, then a plus 2d. See over here d is root 2, here also d is root 2, and it is multiplied by 2, then again 3 plus 3d. Okay, so here also d is root 2 and 3 is in like that. Okay, sorry, this is a plus 2. So a is equals to 3. Now when we write the common difference, by observing only we will get that is root 2. So now if this is the common difference, we have to find the further list. So see, this is the first term is a, second term is 3 plus a plus d, then the third term is a plus 2d, the fourth term is a plus 3d, so fifth term will be a plus 4d. So 3 plus 4 root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2. Then the next term will be a plus 5d is equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. Then the next is a plus 6d is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. 3 plus 6 root 2. And yes, this is an AP. Okay, this is an AP. Now let's do further questions. So the third question says that a comma a square comma a cube comma a raised to the power 4. Okay, so here this list we have got. So if we simplify this, we will get a square means a multiplied by a. Then a cube means a multiplied by a multiplied by a. Then a raised to the power 4 means a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. And what in the beginning we have learned is that in arithmetic progression we do increase and decrease just by addition and subtraction. We don't use multiplication or division. And here we are doing multiplication. So this is not an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now the next one says 1 square comma 3 square comma 5 square comma 7 square and then so on. If we write, then 1 square is 1, then 3 square is 9, then 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49. Okay, so when we find the common difference, see, common difference. So a2 minus a1, a2 is 9, a1 is 1. So 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Then a3 minus a2, a3 is 25. 25 minus 9, what we will get is 16. Then a4 minus a3 is equals to 49 minus 25. So we will get 24. if we see over here, what we will get is that these are not equal. These differences are not equal. So no, this is not an arithmetic progression. So this was the end of the video. Please comment your queries in the comment box and kindly subscribe the video and give a thumbs up. Thank you.